Hi everybody, I just got back from an information meeting at, at the community college here about their nursing assistant program, and it was a very interesting and eye-opening meeting, but I will not be going there. I'm going to go to the one that I originally wanted to go to, that I've been pursuing and all that stuff. It's just going to be really expensive for me to go to the one at this community college right next to me, and I just can't justify spending that much when I know I can probably get into this other program and it's free. So that's where I'm at. I'm pretty excited though, because I'm gonna start volunteering in 2 weeks at the skilled nursing facility that my baby is about to climb into the Christmas tree. Excuse me. Hi, what are you doing? Excuse me. Are you going to climb into this Christmas tree? Okay, sorry for that. So, I'm going to start volunteering. I'm pretty excited. I'm going to start 1 day a week, possibly move up to 2 days a week after I've had a little bit of time to adjust. And that's just what feels the best for me. Sorry, this is shaking, but I'm being climbed on. Whoops! Hi, there you are. Yeah, so it feels good to make that decision, but I think the most valuable thing that I want to pass on is that even though I was pretty sure this is what I was going to do, I still wanted to... Ouch! I still wanted to arm myself with knowledge. I wanted to go and learn as much as I could about both programs so that I made the right choice. It never hurts to gather more information, especially when you're making a big decision. What are you doing? He's just chewing on my hand. It hurts. How's that for a face? Anyway, whoop! Oh yeah, so I'm gonna go and get a case for my camera. I'm gonna go get a case for my camera and an HDMI cord and probably maybe a couple of PopCap figures and some groceries. So I'll take a little bit of footage while I'm out. Maybe. Probably. Hopefully. We'll see how the day goes. Okay, so we just went to Best Buy and I got a case for my camera. Snazzy case. And they didn't have a USB cord for my camera, which I thought was kind of strange, but I got this. So hopefully this will work and you'll get to see some of the videos and the pictures I've been taking on my new camera. Yeah, it's a pretty nice chair, huh?
I wonder how much it costs. I wish I could have it, but I can't.
I know. It's just not very practical, you know?
I never had a wheelchair before.
It's a pretty chair, though. Do you like that color?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wish I could have it, but I can't.
Well, we'll talk about it some more. Maybe we'll see how much it costs and we'll talk about it. Hi everybody, I'm hiding and the kids are asleep, but I wanted to show you I have my new camera case. Woo! And I was able to upload a couple of the pictures that I took. So I was really excited about that. And I wanted to show you this really funny calendar I got. Here, I'll show you a better view of it. Okay, you're gonna have to forgive the glare because it's got this shiny package on there, but it's called Pets Rock. And it's like pop culture pets. So there's a Charlie Chaplin and a Dorothy the Wizard of Oz and a Mr. T, Shakespeare and Audrey Hepburn and the Blues Brothers, the Chiquita Banana Lady. Oh man, Einstein, Mother Teresa. I am seriously cracking myself up looking at this, so I'm really excited. Every year I get a calendar for Christmas, and I'm not super stoked about it. Except last year I had a pretty funny one. I can't remember. I think it was pigs just doing like ridiculous things. So this year I did not receive a single calendar, and I was kind of excited I could go out and pick one myself. I had planned to get a superhero calendar, but I couldn't find one, and I didn't want to drive all the way to the mall to get one. I knew there was like a store with calendars and stuff that would have one, but I just wanted to go to the grocery store and pick one up, so I got this one at Fred Meyer, and I love it. I'm so excited. Okay, that's all for tonight. I will see you guys tomorrow.
I pity the fool who end the vlog like this.